Here's how I keep my skin glowing during the cold winter months. Every morning, I make myself a sun goddess matcha. It's not just any matcha. It's packed with powerful antioxidants that help firm, brighten, and clarify my skin. But winter also means extra hydration is a must, and that's where BT Fountain comes in. These two beverages make up the Radiant Skin Duo by Peak, crafted with the cleanest, purest ingredients. It supports glowing skin, hydration, and sustained energy, all in convenient, pre-measured sachets. Now, Peak ensures the highest quality with quadruple toxin screening and bioavailable ingredients. And for a limited time, get up to 20% off Peak's Radiant Skin Duo, plus a free rechargeable frother and glass speaker, exclusively with my link in the description box.
So it's snowing out here. I'm in my backyard, and winter is so tough on our skin. Trust me, I understand. You get that tight, dry, itchy skin. Your hands crack. Your skin feels like it's crying for help. Well, if this is you, today I'm going to share 5 skin-saving hacks that will keep your skin hydrated in this winter dry weather. And they're simple, effective, and honestly, they're going to change your life.
Okay, let's get started on hack number 1. It's cold out there. Now, I know how comforting a hot shower can be, especially when it's freezing outside. But here's the thing. Those steamy showers are secretly working against your skin. Hot water strips away your natural oils, leaving your skin dry, irritated, and vulnerable. And let's face it, we don't need that extra stress. Dry skin is already enough. Instead, opt for lukewarm water. It's still warm enough to feel good, but gentle enough to protect your skin. And keep your shower short, under 10 minutes. I know that's hard for me because I like a long shower. But trust me, small changes like this make a huge difference. And we're talking about in the winter, cut them showers shorter. Hack number 2, let's talk hydration. So the moisturizer you've been using in the summer, it is not going to cut it in the winter. That cold air and the indoor heating depletes your skin's moisture. So you need a product that's rich, nourishing, and designed for winter weather. So you want to look for moisturizers with ceramides, shea butter, and hyaluronic acid. These are going to be your skin's best friends right now. And here's a pro tip. Apply it while your skin is still damp. So right after a shower or washing your face. This helps seal in moisture and keeps your skin hydrated longer. So here's hack number 3. If you're constantly feeling dry like me, even with all the skincare products in the world, the problem might not be your skin. It could be your environment, your home. Winter air affects your home, especially when you have the heat cranked up. It's bone dry. A humidifier puts moisture back into the air and keeps your skin hydrated while you're asleep or at work. So what you want to do is set it up in your bedroom so your skin can recover overnight while you sleep. And at home, when you're working, you might want to consider adding one into your workspace. And don't forget to clean it regularly because a humidifier can be a breeding ground for bacteria if you're not careful. So here's hack number 4. So here's a mistake I see all the time. People think sunscreen is only for summer, but UV rays don't take a break just because it's cold outside. In fact, those rays can bounce off the snow, doubling the impact on your skin. So protecting your skin with sunscreen isn't just about avoiding burns. It's about preventing long-term damage like dryness, discoloration, and premature aging. Use an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, even if you're just running errands. Your future self will thank you. And here's hack number 5. So your skin reflects what's going on inside your body. If you're not hydrating properly, no amount of moisturizer will save you. So Start with the basics. Drink more water. And if plain water isn't your thing, try herbal teas or infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint, or all three, because it's delicious. Also, eat foods that are rich in omega-3s and antioxidants. Think salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, avocados, and berries. Now, these support your skin from within, from the inside out, keeping your skin plump and healthy. Now, this is one of my favorite winter smoothies. Try this. Cucumber, orange, spinach, and chia seeds. It's packed with hydration and vitamins that your skin loves. And I got a bonus hack for you. So, protect your skin from the elements. We talked about it. The cold wind and the dry air can do serious damage. But here's something. You have to cover up with a scarf or a mask when you're outside. And don't forget about your hands. You need to invest in a good pair of gloves and use a thick hand cream regularly on your hands. Now, winter doesn't have to mean suffering with dry skin. These 5 simple hacks make all the difference. So start with one or try them all and let me know in the comments below how they work for you. Also, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it, to subscribe it, and to share it with someone who could use a little extra skin love this winter. You deserve to feel good in your skin no matter the season.